experience?
Not so good. So I went to the Uhaul from this location, on, I guess, Friday. And, we had it, booked so that it was like the 4-day, 800 something mile. And we're in the process of moving to California. And, it took a little bit longer to get it packed up, and, the battery died. So we called the roadside assistance because I had paid for that extra. And then a tow truck came and said that the Uhaul was reported stolen, and all our stuff was in it. And so I tried calling.
What's the phone number it's under?
It's under two different ones, but one of them is 510-326-9471. So they took the U-Haul with all of our stuff, and I haven't received any call back about where it is or anything.
We weren't sure. Our card, I don't understand why it wasn't just, our card wasn't charged.
Like, yeah, they didn't try charging my card. Like,
because that would have been no problem. There's money on it.
When I came here and rented it, they just said that if it was going to be more than 4 days, it would just be $40 extra a day, and then like whatever the mileage is.
And I'm not. Yeah, we've been trying to figure out how to pay what was owed. We were trying to figure that out while they were towing it. We couldn't get a hold of anybody to figure out how to pay. We called corporate. They said they didn't know. We called. We tried to go online. We cannot figure out how to pay it. And we don't know where our
I can't get a hold of
any of our
like,
stuff is.
The location that we had chosen to drop it off at is in California, and then like when I called U-Haul, they were like, "Oh, it's gonna." They didn't tell us where it was going, and then they seemed surprised. They were surprised and like, "Oh, you're still in Arizona," like they thought we were in somewhere else or something.
Well, no, because the truck was supposed to be dropped off two or
Right.
3 days ago in Oakland.
Right, but they said that if it was going to take longer than that, it would just cost an extra $40
Yeah,
a
but
day.
you still have to stay in contact with them.
Yeah, but that was the thing.
The general manager in Oakland's been trying to reach you, and you haven't.
I haven't received any.
I'm just going.
No, I know that's what they
we
said.
were told by corporate. Yeah.
But
Voicemail,
I even gave.
left voicemail.
I even gave them 2 numbers just in case.
They didn't call the other number.
And I don't have any. I don't have any record of them calling my number.
I don't think so. They only called one number, right? Why not call the other number on the?
All I know is that I didn't receive any messages from them, but
we weren't expecting the call because we thought
and
that
the
you
past
would
have just been
we would
charged.
just pay when we get there for any extra days, or they would charge the card. So because we weren't told that we had to contact and let them know, and we were told it was $40 extra per day or whatever. That's why.
I just never experienced this with U-Haul before. I mean, it's literally like.
But
not even maybe 2 days past.
Regardless, we made a mistake by not realizing this and not answering the phone. But it seems like a little bit much to take all of our stuff.
They didn't even call that.
And not when you have the money to pay right there, no problem paying.
Well, and there should be a card on file.
And it's like for $80. 2
We're
days
just
delinquent.
because literally everything was in that U-Haul, like including like her diapers.
Yeah, and we're supposed to be driving to California right
I don't
now.
even have a change of clothes for her.
I'll make a phone call.
Thank you.
Like they won't even tell us where it's at.
Yeah, it'd be sick to know where it was at.
Yeah, they haven't even tried calling. Like today, they haven't called about anything.
Yeah, well, it's not a priority for them. But I just don't understand why it's so hard to pay.
It's not
They
hard
don't want
to.
their money, like.
No, they just wanna because it's probably gonna be a huge fee to get it.
Yeah, sure it is, but
Yeah, I know.
it's not like anybody isn't going to pay. Anybody would pay.
No, what I'm saying is they would rather not take the money, and they would probably rather
Have all our stuff?
Yeah, so that they can make you pay hella money to get it back. I bet you there's hella fees for
Oh,
them to tow it. I bet you they have a towing company get it, and then you have to pay the towing company.
Well, yeah, I don't know. Was that guy the towing company? Because so he
It
wasn't.
wasn't Uhaul. It was just some towing company. It even says like what the towing company is called.
Yeah.
Like in the text message, it said there's a tow truck coming. I didn't see that. But I wouldn't have even thought differently. Like why, you know?
They said that in the message.
Yeah, it says like JD Towing is dispatched.
Why would they?
Our traffic department's about to call you guys. Which phone number are they supposed to call?
There's
Just
it'd be
give 'em
better.
yours.
Yeah, I mean, for now, right, the 510 number would be best. Before it was
Is there a
the-
510 number on that contract?
I don't know, I don't have it pulled up.
I can give you a number.
But you can help her out. She basically needs 3 more days because it's a 2-day drive out there, and she's already had it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
So can they pay more? And
because I would
Get the
love to
truck
just
back?
pay more and get it
You
back.
can pay 3 more days, and extend it out to the, what is that, the 8th? The 8th?
Yeah.
If they can pay 3 more days, we've not touched their truck, we've only just put it in our no impound lot.
all right. So correct me if I'm wrong. For that to work, the guy in Oakland has to extend it out 3 days and take the payment.
Yeah.
Nothing I can do
tried.
on my end, correct?
I've tried calling Oakland.
Don't know that process, I don't have any.
Because the truck's on his. Yes. Oh no, it's not on mine anymore.
Oakland won't even answer my calls.
I know you can take payment for it, I know that.
Oh.
Can you hold her?
So I don't know how that part works. I never see that stuff.
Because
So,
I can't even get a hold of Oakland. I've tried calling like 100 times.
Is this truck still technically under contract right now?
No, it's overdue on contract a couple days ago.
So I'm not real sure how I'm supposed to take payment then for it. I've never done
'Cause,
this.
Yeah.
I
hang
tried to
on.
extend it on my
But like
account.
he's saying he doesn't know if he can.
I know.